The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, there are three persons we are going to talk about right now. And with that, I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And these three persons are buju, babylawd, and a person that is known as Trishanna. Now right now, we are going to talk about the person that is known as Trishanna. You see me? Now, there are videos that are out on social media, and according to some of the things that had been said about the videos on social media is that the person that is known as Trishanna had bought a male a phone, and now it is said that the male is at a place with a female, and the person that is known as Trishanna had not been allowed to enter that place. Now, according to how I understand as to what had been said on social media, it seems as if they are talking about a person that is known as Trishanna, who had been featured on Miss Donna's program. And Miss Donna is a female that has a program that helps persons that are in need within the country of Jamaica. You get me? Now, viewers and subscribers, to my knowledge, these things that have been said on social media about the female that is known as Trishanna, they are considered to be allegations, all right? Because I have no confirmed information about these things that had been said about the female who is known as Trishanna. You get what I'm saying to you? I am only telling you according to what had been said about the person that is known as Trishanna on social media. You get me? So please bear that in mind, all right? Now, I'm going to present these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at these videos and you can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if the things that had been said about the person that is known as Trishanna, if they are true or if they are not true. You can tell me if these videos shows of the person that is known as Trishanna and so on. You get what I'm saying to you? Alright, now as I'm about to present these videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here are the videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
She not have no sense. After Dana, give she much money. She take money and go buy a phone the man. No man have woman in the she can go in. Tell me if Trishanna no want some lick. A Trishanna that you know? Trishanna that. Watch it. Trishanna that.
I almost do me.
Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the videos that are out on social media where allegations had been made on social media about a female that is known as Trishanna, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that had been said on social media about the person that is known as Trishanna and these videos. Alright, so with that now I'm going to move on to a video that shows of a person that is known as babylawd. Now this video shows of the person that is known as babylawd, and he's saying some things about Candy Wow and his career, and I'm assuming that he's talking about his music career and he's talking about other things as well. Now some of the things that babylawd had said, some persons on social media considered some of these things to be disrespectful towards persons out there. You get me? Now I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that babylawd had said. Alright, now as I am about to show you this video, this is a warning that some of the languages in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
You know, I corona around the place. It's so low. And don't try my career now, that me I tell you no pussy. Well I know that piece of my career stuff I can do. I think bigger than the whole of that pussy. No, come ask me that. Yeah, whole for money babylawd hurt your pussy, whole I know chat off for the mouth. I come turn up like you know, mash up and career pussy. But candy, I want to bumbo clock, don't know. I plan for to stop my career pussy and I tell people about don't give me no show and them thing there. I'm too no fool. You want show and book for a foreigner and I fight me out. I tell the promoter them about me a gunman and me a crop and I'm too no pussy. No come away so come out about candy though. Oh candy there. And she a shot the whole and I tell her about left because me a robber and also mash up and I ask me go suck with the mother. I'm too no pussy. No, come over here, so man. That me I tell you. But I spend money. Pussy them all pay money, you know. Forget people take them a page, you know. They delete my page. You go suck on the mother. Any boy do that, suck your mother. Boy I pay money. Change the USA, delete my page. Man and pay change the USA, delete my page. You can spend change the USA, delete a local youth page. And you today will look on you. And you take your money and spend for your girl, man, and you pitney them, man. You take your money and spend for try bring down me. Man, suck your mother, dog. And your own woman call and tell me, say you're going to do it, or you're bad mind. I don't know, dog. Some people corrupt. And as a girl call and tell me, dog, say this better you pay much money to make my account get deleted. Brother, why you pay money to delete my account for, brother? I don't even know you, brother. So I know say na pussy not try to help for career. That to not try to do. Pussy all I know. But now if you change the US to get my account come off. And yet see when I look all I want to start doing what me I do. Everybody start come for life and smoking. I want to know what they can do for life because them have a contract. Me alone, I don't no contract. I be run my own thing. I want to know pussy. All of them boy under people contract. Them can't smoke on live and do certain things on live. And me alone do that. I know them contract allow them to do it because I'm me around the place, so they want to live like lord. And me start it. None of them could smoke on live, you know. Enough artists when they say I smoke on live could do it. They ever come on and come talk certain things. That's true me make them do it. And them try to block up my career. Oh, I'm telling you, brother. Me not going to order in the dog. We just do a thing around the place in the dog. Because we know say dancehall for the people, man. And nobody want dancehall. I don't know who now own up dancehall. Suck with mother. You can't own dancehall, brother. This day long before the whole of come see dancehall. That me I tell you no. Whole of come see dancehall. So put in the work and make it go on to like other man. And that me I do too. Put in the work. Man I own up dancehall and own nothing. So I want to feel like I'm bigger than no man. Whole of live in Jamaica. Oh. Whole of we a fight. And whole of we to eat food. When we share food and stop fight against you. See me come and just get a song around the place. When the place change it. Change the US enough to delete my page. If you pay for delete my page, that's one of bad man, brother. I mean, I pick me for feet to like, you know. You think God asleep, you don't watch you go on. God gotta prove himself to enough of you here. God gotta prove himself to enough of you, pussy. Enough of you. Because enough of you going like say you're bigger than the Almighty. You're not clean, not pussy. I couldn't believe you pay money for delete my page. Like, couldn't know I'm a chain, you know, nobody talk about me. I want people talk about you alone. Suck with mother, move. And none of substance, and you can't build nothing. All you do is watch and follow. That's why I don't like no for you too. You're too bad mind, man. One buckler. Keep me Brooklyn, big up yourself. Daniel, what one? Up. You man, burn me for the boy them, man. A big thing you send out for you see, no watch this, man. Cause I gotta work, you know, gotta work, yeah. That me I tell you, no. Can't bring me down, that me I tell you, no. More fight, no fight, me as stronger me get. Make sure I hold my own and keep my phone. You hear that? No boy, no girl can't not talk over me. That me I tell you no. Anybody come around me and me I help them. And I feel none of them I help me. Oh. Like you know style, man. No man get back them look at page and other them thing when I try mash up my thing them same me. I'll send virus in my account them. Block up my account them. I can't get no views. Nothing at all. Oh, I'm too no brother. No dog. Now some blood clot lick to get from God, you see. And watch what I go on, man. Honest bread me I work for here. I've been a rub and teeth, you would hear none of them are make no sound. I work at honest food and them a try block my career and shoot me down on the ground. That them a try do. Take over my life, give other people my life. And that them a do, you know. Man, I owe them to do that. I take my life and give other people, brother. I can't take my life, give other people. Delete my page and make people live like how me that do it, like how me I live. And I say it hurt, brother. Go for an interview and not talk like Una and me. Una is not me, brother. Una come from the garrison. And the Uma reggae I come from, I live there, so brother. Una come from this and that. And Una try to be like me, I talk about Una. This is not go through no struggle, not go through no fight. None of them will see not get no fight. And me, them a fight, most of them. Them not get no fight because them have money and pump them thing. And I fight against a youth who try to do something by himself. And who do something by themselves, them fight against, you know. They don't fight against nobody in them circle like who them have power. They don't know who, the for them artists that talk about don't get fight. They don't get no fight. Fool.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows of the person that is known as babylawd, and he's saying some things that the persons on social media considered some of these things to be disrespectful to persons out there. Alright, and with that I'm going to move on to the final video right about now, and this video is going to show of the person that is known as Buju, and in this video Buju talk about the country of Jamaica and other things as well, and this video is out on social media where it is getting somewhat of a buzz out there on social media. Alright, persons are talking about this video, comments have been made about this video, and I'm bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Alright, now here is the video, take a look, listen and observe.
This is the Tanzania president though. Make sure him check him health system. I see which side they are on. They are on the side of the people or on the side of the multinational. The first thing he did was test what them sending to him. And a goat and then a papaya. You see what happened? The goat and the papaya come back positive. But be careful in Jamaica. Come here some talk and come here some talk and by some people should have our best interest at heart and the national interest at heart. And to me, it sounds like we have some traitors among us, you know. We see children so passive and we've been drinking them Kool-Aid for so long and they don't even know. And someone just feel say, some true a guy speak well of them, look well, that is enough. Be careful enough. And if we wake up, if a guy get 15,000 for selling half COVID virus and 39,000 putting up an incubator, who will make the money? None of them can come out of the house to make the money. Pick them can't go to school, a joking. You understand? Everybody that takes steps for open them country. I'm see Jamaica do a contract. Yeah? Alright. Wake up.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. Alright, and you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself.
Hey, man, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.